Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Okay. So we're here. You're at the observed versus expected. Unhide. I'm going to unhide this for a minute, and I'm going to rehide it. What do you think we're going to compare here? You know, I just kind of set it up. What are going to be our two hills that we're going to compare to determine whether there's an effect of home and away? No. Yeah. So here's the deal: is um, all the home games are in bold. So here's what I'm going to want you to do is basically construct your own. What I want you to do is put all the home games in one column and all the away games in another. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, let's get all this data. So I'm going to hide this again because it's easier to copy. Oh, actually, no, keep it like this. Sorry. Keep it unhid. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Arizona defense. I'm going to select all these cells all the way to week 15. Everybody see that? Oh, actually, before we do that, let's make a new spreadsheet. Well, actually, I'm going to take this. I'm going to show you something with Excel you can do with Excel that's going to help you out a lot. So instead of copying this all, let's just do this. So here on your tab, I want you to right click. Does everybody see this insert sheet, delete, and rename, move, or copy? Okay, let's go to move or copy. Okay. Now, I want to create a copy, so make sure you check that box or it's just going to take it from your original Excel spreadsheet and leave nothing there. We don't want that. Okay, and then it says move selected sheets to book. What we want to do is make a new one. So go to new book. Everybody do that? Okay, hit OK. Bye. You'll notice now we have an Excel spreadsheet that only has one sheet. And it left a copy in our original one. It's a very important skill to learn. Okay. So now what we're going to do, let's get rid of all this stuff here. Just go select all this stuff and hit right click, go delete. Okay. We're also going to give us some space here. So let's go to row 3 and just put in, I don't know, let's put in 4 spaces. So I'm selecting 4 rows, right click, and go insert. Everybody do that? Everybody with me? Okay. Now this is kind of a pain right here, the way we have it. You know, basically what I want to do is I want to take all of the home games and put them on one side. And in fact, I'm going to rename this. Let's see. We need at least 8 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to J. So go up here, select the top row 1, slide it all the way to J. And hit right click it. Ah, dang it. Okay, right click and hit clear contents. Now we're going to go to merge. Everybody find the merge function on their Excel? So go hit merge and center. Okay. Now let's go home games. Okay, everybody put that in, and we can also color anything we want. What do you want to color home games? They can't be red because, can't be evil. Not at home. What do you want to color? Let's color it white. Orange. White's no fun. Okay. Leave the week 9 where it is. We'll make this the bye. So we'll label this bye. Because that's where we're going to stick all the byes. Now we're going to go up here to 11. We got to select 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right click, clear contents. Go to your merge in center. And now let's put away games. Oh, and let's color this blue. Baby blue. No, yeah, let's go baby blue. So put in a baby blue because I'm going to put turquoise. You can color whatever you want. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to put it into a format so I can just kind of remember how we drag our formulas and functions, and they work really nicely. The problem is each team has their home games at different times, right? So it'd be hard to put a standard formula in there that we could just kind of drag all the way down. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to create something that makes it easier to do that. So you're going to love this. So we're going to take these teams, so select Arizona here. We can put it right up. Let's give a space. We'll put it right here. What I want you to do is take all of the bold scores and start dragging them over here. And I would do them in an order too, because this kind of gives you a timeline as well. Okay, and then obviously they have a buy game. Just take their buy game and put it where the buy column is. Let me color this so we can see it easier. I'll put a red there. Okay. And we can just grab all these. So how many teams are there? 32. What's 32 divided by 6? What's that? 5 point. Okay. So let's have, I think we all did the first one. Let's do the first one real quick. What's that? Okay, 5.3. Okay. So here's the deal is everybody's going to do, I think we all did 1. I just want to make sure you're all doing this right. So here's the deal, and we're going to do this throughout the, as we go on. We're going to tag team different projects. That certain people are going to do pieces of it, and then we're going to put it together. So here's the deal. I want pre-med. You got Atlanta through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chicago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, G-Love, you got to Detroit. Cincinnati to Detroit. And if what you can do too is if you need more space, you can just get rid of all, basically put in a bunch of spaces. You can insert and then just go from there if you'd like. So what you could do is you could just go insert and then just put it in from here if you'd like. Okay, let me go undo. Okay. Let's see. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and MO, you got Green Bay to KC. Conman, you got 1, 2, 3. You got Miami to New York. Jets or Giants, sorry. KT, you got New York Jets to San Diego. And then BT, you got Seattle to Tampa Bay. And then don't worry about the rest. What's that? Yeah. Because some teams have more home games and away games. They're not all even. But try to do it in order too. It's like, put the games that were played like earlier towards the beginning of those different categories. I'll do the first one here. All right. Keep going. Let me shut this off.